I'm Gohan. Hey, I'm Gohan, girl.
Hey, what up my slick soldiers? It's Slick Gohan here, and yes, I'm still working on the intro. So, we're gonna be reacting to Get Out of My Car. I have been recommended this from my cousin and some other people, my friends. I do not know why I was recommended this. I saw a clip of this, like the first the first 5 seconds, and this dude has no chill. So let's get into this. Y'all know it was 100% real. Really?
I'm going to the emergency room, sir.
Get
okay.
in
there! We're out of my car now!
Are you okay, dude? This dude look like a frog.
I don't know where I am. I'm asking you where.
She's so calm in this.
You will kindly point at where I am supposed to
your destination. It said here I was at your destination.
Is your phone okay, bro?
It's over. Get out of my car.
And how you just you so buff? Where your neck?
Out of my
Oh,
car now.
there it is.
Sir, is that...
Get out of my car now.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't fucking get out of my
Holy,
But you're
you just
not
broke up.
yelling at me.
She got the finger.
You are not to yell at me.
9, 1.
Okay,
Do it.
do it.
Do it.
Do it. He actually did it.
You are facing...
Get out right now.
The cop don't even want to mess with this.
I'm facing a fucking moron. Get out now.
You're facing... right to scream at me?
I will fucking talk to you any goddamn way I want.
Really?
Yes, I fucking...
Just pick her up and throw her out the car.
Where?
You know what? Comment down below. What would you do in a situation like this? Me personally, I would have just... He was doing it wrong. He should have opened the door and then dragged her out. And if she wouldn't get out, I'll bust her head with a rock and then drag her out and say she fell.
Am I?
You're at a hospital. Where
Where?
you need to be. Get out of my car.
Okay.
Can you get her out of my car, please?
Ooh. Well, this dude has about most worst luck in the world. There's no kind of therapy that will help you now, my brother. I'm not even gonna watch the regular version. I already know it's gonna be garbage. So that was Get Out of My Car. And this dude, the next video might be me watching a regular video of this, because this actually looks interesting. See you guys, and stay slick, my friends.
君に伝えたいことが君に届